My name is Omar Rampersad. It's Sunday, December 16, 2018 at 2:48 p.m. in Toronto. So I am off to the hospital to get some tests done, and I'm going to demonstrate to you what I tweeted about today at ROSHINI 911, the Twitter account. I talked about being tracked with microwaves. So this is my microwave detector. And here is the alarm going off around me. Of the head. So if I track the body, the outline of my body, that's the head, neck, shoulder, arms. Let me do the length of the arms, hand, finger, wrist, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, neck, ear, head, top of the head. The other side. Neck, chest, shoulder, elbow, not just the elbow, arm, neck, neck, chest, back, 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 back. And if I go all the way down to my toes, the same thing happens. If I track the body all the way down to my feet, you can hear the alarm. Now my ankle goes off very, very often as I walk. Obliques, which is hurting right now. Notice the intensity of the alarm. Right here is painful, right there. Notice the light is not as bright there as there where it hurts. So exactly where it hurts, the alarm goes off quite brightly, right there. Chest, my chest is achy. I'm also slightly asthmatic, so I'm gonna do the tests at the hospital. So this follows me around my unit. So if I held the detector away from my body, just as close to the camera, my body, close to the camera, my body, close, if I held it away, anywhere around here, body, back, body, around me, arm's length, no alarm, change hands, arm's length, behind me, arm's length, towards my body, pointed towards my body because this is the sensor, and my body is setting off the alarm. So the direction of the beam, that is to be determined. This doesn't show me the direction. It could be above, below, beside. And that's my lower hip, leg, down to my leg. So this is me being tracked because obviously something about me is setting off the alarm. and the alarm goes off when I walk in my unit. So I'm going to demonstrate with my cell phone how the alarm in how the alarm behaves near the cell phone. So I'm going to pretend I'm going to make a call. Which means that the phone is activated. And there you go. That was the phone being activated. And I'm going to dial a number. Try it again. See that? That's the phone. I'm just dialing. Calling. Oh, wrong hand. Oh, but the air is also setting it off. So let me take that. Wow, that's loud. Air. And I'm gonna disconnect. It's actually my body is setting off quite a bit, setting off the alarm quite a bit. So I'm going to hold it away from my body, arm's length. And there you go. That's the phone. So the alarm works. So this is just, let me test that again. So alarm away from my body, towards my body, away, arm's length. And phone. So I'm just calling my voicemail there. Let's see. It's set off the alarm. So it detects the microwave signals from the cell phone. So that's the test. Because this is what is setting off the alarm. Signals coming into the cell phone. So then the question is, why is it that my body is setting off the alarm? Like so. The cell phone is being tracked. And of course, so am I.